Hi! In front of me is ZTE Blade A72S, and today I would like to show you how you can rename it. Begin by going into Settings and scrolling all the way down right away. When you're ready, click on About Phone section. Now click on device name at the top right corner and type in wherever you wish to. I will go with flower. When you're ready, hit save. And as you can see, after that, name of my device has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!